Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font size in all sheets in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see the all sheet font size 11. Now we want to change the all sheet font size at once. At first, go to the file menu, then click the option menu. Then open the general option and click the font size drop down menu and change the font size. Now I make the all sheet font size is 24. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then close the Excel and reopen the Excel on our computer. Then wait some moment and we can see here the Excel. You can open blank workbook, otherwise open your file. Now I am create a blank workbook. Then we can see the font size is 24. You can write anything and check this. You can create another sheet. Click the plus icon and create new sheet and check the size. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.